What's going on, everyone? I hope you're doing great. Now behind me there is a car that got hit bad by hail. I fixed all the dents already, but I left two of the nastiest dents on this car so I can record it and you guys can see the technique. Now one is behind me. Let's see. Whoop, if I move, look at that rail. See that one? That's nasty hit. The other one is on the back trunk. That's also nice hit. Let's check them out. So this one is the sharp and nasty dent on the rail. You can see how sharp it is and big. And this is a Hyundai, so it's a soft metal. Look at the sharp dent here. Look at how deep that is. And the other one was hit back here, just above the light. It's also sharp. Oh, wait. It's also sharp. Hard to see, but the dent actually is this wide. For this one, the plastic underneath is already out, and I will take this light out as well. Maybe there's some excess here. This one, we will glue pull all the way. This one, I will start glue pulling it, then finish with a rod. The reason I want to glue pull it is because here, this part and this part is down, but it's soft down. This one is sharp, and I will glue pull the edges, so I get only the sharp part here left. Then I will push it nice and soft. Let's look at the repair of both dents now. They're both at 5 times speed, so just sit back and enjoy. So here we have this one finished on the rail. And we're gonna be moving on to the back one. So this is the dent on the trunk. Now from this angle under the light we can really see how widespread the dent is. Now I'm gonna be pulling here, glue pulling, trying to make all this come back to the normal shape, trying to leave only this sharp part here. This is how it looks after glue pulling. Now we can see that all this part and this part of the dent is gone. Now what we have left is one nice sharp dent, and this will be now much easier and better to push. Here is the final product of this dent on the tailgate. I had to sand and polish it a bit, but looks great. So that's it for this week. I hope you like it, and as always, click the like button, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you will be notified next time I release a new video. Bye bye!